It's 2 a.m. You're exhausted, your eyes are burning, but your thumb, it just won't stop. You told yourself just 5 more minutes an hour ago. Now, you're trapped in the infinite scroll. Your brain is numb, but your nervous system is hooked. This is not an accident. This is a trap. Every swipe is like pulling the lever of a slot machine. Will the next video be funny, scary, or life-changing? That tiny spark of curiosity releases dopamine. It's the brain's reward chemical. And you're addicted to the hit. But here's the dark truth. The apps are designed to keep you here. The infinite scroll was modeled after a Vegas casino. Psychologists call it stopping cues, or rather, the lack of them. There is no end, so your brain never gets the signal to stop. In the old days, you finished a book or a newspaper. There was a the end. Now, the end doesn't exist. Doom scrolling doesn't make you happy. It leaves you feeling anxious, hollow, and more alone than before. So, how do we break the cycle? How do we take our brains back from the algorithms? Let's look at the science. To understand why we do this, you have to look at how humans evolved. For millions of years, information meant survival. Knowing where the berries were or where the tiger was hiding kept you alive. Your brain is hardwired to hunt for new information. But today, you aren't hunting for food. You are hunting for pixels. The tech giants know this. They exploit a psychological loophole called intermittent reinforcement. If every video was boring, you'd stop immediately. If every video was amazing, you'd get satisfied and leave. But because it's random, an unpredictable mix of garbage, memes, and bad news, your brain stays hyper-alert, constantly waiting for the next big reward. And why bad news? Why the doom in doom scrolling? It's called negativity bias. To your primitive brain, a threat is more important to your survival than a cute puppy. So, the algorithm feeds you outrage, fear, and drama, because that's what keeps your eyes glued to the screen. You aren't weak. You are a biological organism fighting against supercomputers designed to hack your attention. But you can fight back, and it doesn't require throwing your phone in a river. It requires friction. The algorithms rely on things being too easy. Zero friction. So, you have to add it back. Step 1. Turn your phone screen to grayscale mode. Without bright reds and neon blues, the dopamine response drops dramatically. Your phone becomes a boring tool again, not a shiny toy. Step 2. The 20-second rule. Move your worst dopamine trap apps off your home screen. Hide them in folders. If it takes just 20 extra seconds of effort to open the app, your rational brain has time to wake up and say, "Wait, do I actually want to do this right now?" We are the first generation to live with the entire world's information and anxiety in our pockets. It's time to stop letting a glowing rectangle dictate how we sleep and how we feel. Put the phone down. The infinite scroll will still be there tomorrow. But your time, once it's gone forever. If this video woke you up even a little bit, hit subscribe. Let's take our brains back, together.